That squeaky door hinge, the rusty bike chain, that stubborn bolt. Chances are, you have a can of it somewhere. Blue and yellow, seemingly capable of fixing almost anything. It's named WD-40. But have you ever wondered about that strange name, WD-40? 40? What could it possibly mean? To unlock the secret, we need to travel back in time, deep into the heart of the Cold War. The year is 1953. San Diego, California. Amidst the intense space and arms race between the US and the Soviet Union, here, a tiny company called the Rocket Chemical Company, with just 3 employees, was tasked with a crucial mission. It was for America's first intercontinental ballistic missile, the Atlas. Their target wasn't squeaks or grime, it was water. They needed to protect the delicate outer skin of the Atlas missile from rust and corrosion caused by moisture. A potent water displacer was essential for the nation's defense. The chemists at Rocket Chemical brainstormed, it has to displace the water completely. Just oil won't do, ... We need a formula that gets under the water, pushes it out, and leaves a barrier. Some combination of solvents and anti-corrosion agents. They gotta work. Formula number 1, ... failed. Number 10, failed again. 20 tries. 30 tries. Results were disappointing. But the small team, perhaps led by chemist Norm Larsen, persisted. They tweaked, they mixed, they tested relentlessly. Finally, on their 40th attempt, they cracked it. This is it. Displaces the water perfectly. We finally did it. They had perfected a formula that aggressively displaced water. It was their 40th attempt. They called it water displacement. 40th formula, WD-40. That exact chemical composition remains a top trade secret to this day. It worked perfectly, shielding the mighty Atlas missile. But the story doesn't end in the missile silo. It wasn't just the rockets that benefited. Rocket Chemical employees discovered the formula was incredibly effective on their own tools and household items. They started sneaking cans home. Honey, look what this stuff does to rust. That squeaky door of ours. Let's fix it with this. It's amazing. As word spread among the staff, the company's founder realized the immense commercial potential. There's a huge market for this beyond rockets. He made a bold decision. Take this military-grade invention to the consumer market. First, he had it packaged in easy-to-use aerosol cans. Early marketing involved giving out free samples and demonstrating its power directly in hardware and sporting goods stores. Anyone who tried it was instantly impressed. The results were spectacular. WD-40, with its distinctive blue and yellow can, spread across America and soon the world, becoming an essential item in nearly every home and workshop. Rust removal, lubrication, cleaning, moisture displacement, its uses seemed endless, famously rumored to number in the thousands. It became more than a product. It became a cultural icon. So the next time you reach for that blue and yellow can, remember its incredible hidden history. A product of Cold War ingenuity, born from 40 attempts, that accidentally became the handyman's best friend. WD-40. Its very name tells a story of persistence and unexpected success.